Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. In today's video, let me show you how you can download and install Fall Guys on your PC or laptop for free. So first, open up your browser and go to fallguys.com. After that, click download now and select the Epic Games icon. You'll be redirected to the Epic Games website. Next, scroll down and click get. Then sign in your Epic Games account or create a new one. Complete the checkout process. The total will be $0. Now, if you don't have the Epic Games launcher, download and install it. If you already have it, simply open it. After that, sign into the Epic Games launcher. Next, go to the Library tab on the left sidebar. Find Fall Guys and click Install. That's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.